Hello, welcome back to this training. Today we are going to look at the Power BI importing of data and of course visualizing data. So we are in the canvas. In my previous session, of course, where I took the getting started class on Power BI, we looked at the introduction to this work environment. So if you're trying to understand, if you are a starter and you are trying to understand what is in this work environment, then you should subscribe to my channel and pick the video on Power BI getting started. Now here we want to bring in a Microsoft Excel file, and then we are going to visualize it. But before we do that, I need to first of all give us an insight into the fact that Microsoft Power BI allows you to import all kind of files. I mean, the type of files that you can import into Microsoft Power BI is quite large, it's quite huge. So you, apart from Excel workbook, can do a data flow, data vars, SQL server analysis services. You can import a CSV file. You can import a web file. What it means is that you can connect to a web and get a data into Power BI. You can do the data feed and so many other things. So let's get Excel workbook. So you have various options to do that. You can do it from the home tab here. You click this Excel workbook option, or you do it from here, you get Excel workbook, or you go directly from the canvas to pick import data from Excel. So whichever one you are using, you are good to go. So we're going to click import data from the canvas, and then I'll pick my Excel file. So I want to pick one of the files I use often for analysis tasks. So I'll pick this file and bring it into Power BI. So you can see that it's connecting. So it shows connecting. So now it takes you to a section called Navigator. So at the Navigator point, you can see that the data source is showing. So you want to know which one is the correct version. You can see this option comes with the fields, but there are a lot of blank column options there, so which means this may not be proper. So let's look at the second one. So this one shows the columns and it looks more tidy. So we will select the second one and then we will click load. Now, there are still a lot to do in Power BI apart from just importing the data. Sometimes you may want to transform a dirty data, because in data analysis there's a part that we call data cleaning, where you pick a data and you want to do some cleaning jobs on the data to put it in the right perspective for analysis. So that is the option transform. When you see a data that is not in a proper structure. So there is a lot to be done in data transformation, cleaning and process. All right, so now let's load this. Let's load the file. So the file seems to be okay. So we could just load it. If a file does not have some element of dirtiness that you want to clean, you should just load it. Okay? Then you see that on the right side, you can see a tab, a section that is showing data. So this data section is now showing us the tables that we have imported. So we have the name of the table, and then we have the various fields of data in the table. You have product, you have order ID date, you have country, you have category, and then you have amount. So we can use all these for our analysis or for our reporting. So, but the first thing I want to do is to change the name of this data file. So I'll right click on it on the right side and select rename. Then here I can now say sales data and press enter. So my sales data has been renamed. So now let's go to the left side, which is the view section. So we are currently in the report view, but let's look at table view, where we can see what is the content of the data we are working with. So as you can see, the content of the data, we have order ID, we have the product, we have the category, we have the amount, and then we have the country. So this is the product section, okay? So for whatever reason, the original data had some element of sorting. So that's why you can see that the order ID are not in any particular order. So you can do that here. You can sort maybe by category or sort by order ID. So I will sort by order ID, and then you will see that, let's see, sort column by order ID. Okay, no problem. We can always do that in some other time. So as you can see here now, we have the data section, as you can see. Then we can go back to the report view. This is the model view, where if we have more than one table, you can join them together. So let's go back to the report view and then pick one of our visuals. So we start with the first one. So we'll pick this visual. This visual stays here. And then for the visual, we will present what are the data, what are the fields we want to use to create this visual. So maybe we want to summarize by product, and then I want to look for amount. So we have a chart for sum of amount by product. So we can go again and bring another report. So this can be at the bottom, and then, or let me just put it at the top beside it here. Okay, good. So here I'm going to report country by amount, country by amount. Okay, then I can give a table for this data. So I'll go to the table option and the visual. So what I'm doing here is under the visualization. So all you just need to do is click the visual you want and then select the data just like you do in pivot table in Excel. So this is the data for the product. It's quite small. There's a way to expand that, but we'll look at that in another session. Then I can put my table again and put for country by amount. So this is also data for this. So this is the data for this second one. And then if I like, I can just push this a bit, and then put this by the side here as the data for that. And then take this one, bring it down here and then put the data by the side. But if you're trying to work with the table on its own, if you're trying to work with the table on its own, why not you can put the table on a separate place. So this is how to create table and visuals in PowerPoint. I mean, in Power BI. Sorry, because I have several applications in my head, so sometimes you just want to mix those names together. So this is Power BI anyway. So in Power BI. All right. So this is how we are going to stop here, so that we can give time for you to go through it and then create your visuals. So there are a lot of visuals you can pick. You can pick pie chart, and you can take the data for it, maybe product and amount, and then you have your visual. So gradually your dashboard is being created, and there's a lot to be done. So it's good having this time with you, showing you the Power BI and how to import your data and how to present, how to create a report. All right, so see you in another session when we'll be looking at something else. Bye for now.